Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M33 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set flashlight notifications for incoming calls in your phone Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. This is flashlight. If you want to get flashlight notifications for incoming calls in your phone, you can set. I will show the settings. Go to the settings of your phone here and click on accessibility. Click on accessibility. Now click on advanced settings. Now click on flash notification, and you have two options: camera flash notification and screen flash notification. Flash the camera light on the screen when you receive notification or when alarm sound. So if you turn on camera flash notification, if any incoming call is coming to your phone, flashlight will be blinking in the back side of your phone. Also, if you want to screen flash during the flash notification, that is camera flash, and you can turn on this button too. So now I will show one incoming call. I make a call from my phone, another phone, and you will receive flashlight notification.
Princey.
Yes, call is coming and the screen is flashing now. Also, see in the back side, flashlight is blinking. So in this way, you can easily set flashlight notifications for incoming calls from our phone Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.